how to get glowing this wedding season. Any recommendations, please?
How to get glowing this wedding season? Get
Yeah.
married.
All right.
वो मैं उनको दूंगी सर, आप एजेंट क्यों बन रहे हो बीच में? मैं भेज दूंगी उनको विशेस. Of course, I wish them all the very best.
ऐसे भी कभी हो जाता है कि यार इट्स ऑलवेज एवरी टाइम मेकअप 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 ज़्यादातर एक्चुअली तो कभी थोड़ा ऊब जाते हो एंड अदर थिंग इज लाइक इनर ब्यूटी इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट ऑल्सो रिफ्लेक्ट्स अ लॉट तो व्हाट हैव टू से ऑन दैट थिंग.
आई थिंक हमें ब्यूटीफुल लगना पड़ता है क्योंकि आप कैमरा लेकर हमारे पीछे पड़ जाते हो ना, हम जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं. तो अब क्या करें, चॉइस ही नहीं छोड़ा आपने. But honestly, yes, our profession is in that way demanding, very demanding on our skin and requires a lot from our skin. So we have to be careful with the products that we use, the amount of care we take of our skin. Not necessarily कि मेकअप डाल के ही लोग खूबसूरत लगते हैं, मैं मेकअप के बिना भी लगती हूँ. ओके. मेरी माँ की खूबसूरती मुझे मिली है विरासत में. So I think it's each to his own. A lot of people, especially in a country like India with so many different weather conditions, a lot of people have different skin types and tones, and they all need to take care of it according to how their skin is structured. And yeah, I think that's what you need to find out, what works best for you. And I strongly believe, I've been like growing up, any remedies जो भी होती थी वो भी एकदम नेचुरल ऑर्गेनिक घर की जो मॉम बनाकर देती थी, मुल्तानी मिट्टी या हल्दी लगा दो, हल्दी का लेप लगा दो या रब टमेटोज और बनाना ऑन योर स्किन. सो grown up at touching my skin only with natural products,
Right.
which is why this is such a welcome thing in our market today and will help a lot of girls who are mindful of what they use on their skin.
Absolutely. Yes. Let's. You want to talk about inner beauty?
Yeah, that was I asked. Second question was.
सर इनर ब्यूटी नहीं होगा तो जितना भी मेकअप लगा दो आप खूबसूरत नहीं लगोगे. जितनी भी कोशिश कर लो.
I want to ask you, Sonakshi, that you have recently won the Mother Teresa Award for planting trees and being environment conscious. Is this extension forward? Because even the brand talks about plant us,
Absolutely. I think as a person who is followed and viewed by people, followed by youngsters, I think it's very important and a big responsibility on my part to kind of take forward the things that I believe in. And sustainability, taking care of the environment, taking care of yourself, mental health, physical health. I think these are things that are very, very important to me. And I think I would want it to be an extension of whatever I do.